Hi guys, so today I want to show you guys step by step on how to prepare Okpa. You know that special Okpa from Enugu. So guys, here are the things that are required if you want to prepare sweet Okpa with its natural taste. First, you see my red oil. This one is direct from east. No mix up, nothing. This is the first thing you will add in your Okpa. Requires a lot of oil. That's why many people don't used to put enough oil. They mix other things. Secondly, you add salt. You add salt depending on the quantity that you want to prepare. So the next thing will be Maggi. So Okpa don't really require Maggi because Okpa already have its natural taste. So I will put only 2 because I think 2 is okay, or 1. Or let me put 1 first, and I will test this later to see how it will taste. So here we have pepper and crayfish, but you will not add it now till you mix it so that you will know when you get the real mixture. Follow us and see. So after adding the Maggi, your mixing process starts now. You will use hot water. It must not be that boiled, but it will be warm. Yeah, it must not be that boiled. So you will use hot water. You will add small first and mix it. Let's go. So you add more water because we have already turned this one. You will add in the water small, little by little, so that you will not remember it is not with cool water but warm water. The water must be warm. We are still in the process. Follow us and see the end. The pepper and the onion because you have seen your mixture already. It's very smooth, nothing to do. Call me anytime that you want to prepare sweet Okpa with its natural taste. Enugu are one of the people that knows how to prepare Okpa. I think my Okpa is ready. So now you will test the Okpa and know if it still needs some salt. So we are about to tie it. So the okpa is now ready to eat. You can see my okpa is now. Oh my god! Oh my god! Call me for home service. So you can see my okpa is now ready to eat. I can cook. If you need this okpa, send me a message. Send me a DM. Let me prepare sweet Igbo okpa for you. I hope you can perceive it from through this food. I can cook, sha.